Mave Registry is a collaborative resource for sharing progress on multiplex assays of variant effect, or Mave. In this tutorial series, we're going to cover 4 core functions of the registry. Create an account, browse and register projects, browse and register teams, browse and nominate targets. In this video, we're going to cover how to create an account. To register an account, click the Login button and navigate to the Sign Up tab. You may register with your email and password, or you may sign up with your Google or Orchid account if you prefer. A confirmation email will be sent to you. Please click the link in email to verify your account. Please make sure you check your spam box. Still can't find it? Don't worry, you can always request another verification email to be sent to you. Now, let's go to your user profile page to fill in any missing information. Click your profile image and select User Profile from the drop-down menu. Click the Edit button and input any information you'd like to provide. Please note, as a privacy measure, your email account is kept private from any other users. You may also change the profile picture by clicking the Upload button. Once you're happy with your profile, please don't forget to save it by clicking the Save button. On the user profile page, you can also reset the password or change email preference, indicating how often you'd like to receive email notifications on certain actions. That's it. You have successfully created an account on the registry. In the next section, we're going to cover how to browse and register projects.